What's going on, my friend? Garrett Berry here. Now, maybe you're someone that's been thinking about starting your own home business and you don't really know how it works or how to do it properly, or maybe you've dabbled in something called affiliate marketing, which is where you don't have to create your own products or sales pages. You can just find a product that's already selling, recommend people to that product, and when they buy through your link, you actually make money. Well, either way, I'm going to demonstrate a 3-step process that's very simple and paint by numbers that I've personally used, my students have used over the last 5 years to make thousands and thousands of dollars predictably in about 30 to 60 minutes a day from the comfort of our home. Okay, but before I dive into that step by step, I'm going to hop on a whiteboard app and you're going to see visually how this all works. If you're new to my channel and you never want to miss out on my latest training videos on how to really build a business and create freedom and income for you and your family, be sure to go down below, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're always notified of my latest videos. But without further ado, let me go ahead and dive right in. Now, like I do in all of my videos, I want to share with you some results and proof so you can see that I am actually practicing what I'm preaching and what I'm going to share with you works. So first off, I'm in my Stripe account. Okay, this is actually an account where I get some of the income that I'm making online using this 3-step formula. And you can see yesterday, okay, I was able to generate $1,212. And I want to refresh because, you know, some people try to fake screenshots and things like that. I want you to see that what I'm teaching you is actually exactly what I did to make this amount of money, okay? Now, I actually, if I go to the whiteboard app, okay, you're gonna see, and I actually created, okay, a very simple visual representation of the 3 steps. This is step 1, step 2, and step 3. And I'm gonna go in each one in way more detail as you keep watching throughout this entire video. But I wanna share with you that I actually applied this method to a campaign online that I started just, you know, not too many months ago. And I want to share with you some of the results that I've been able to get applying it to this campaign. So you can see that it doesn't matter if you're just starting, it doesn't matter if you've been online for a while. If you apply these 3 steps, you're going to be able to see some incredible results. So if I go into right here, my Easy One-Up dashboard. Now, Easy One-Up is one of the affiliate programs that I'm actually promoting. The cool thing about this is, again, you don't have to create any of the products. And with this specific affiliate program, it pays you anywhere from $25 all the way up to $2,000, 100% commissions instantly paid. So when you make a commission, refer someone, you get that money that day, which is incredible. So you can see right here that total earned up to date in this one income stream is $40,325. Okay, and again, this is just using the formula that I'm going to walk you through in a second. Now, if I go into another income stream, you're going to see that to date, okay, with the already paid and the pending, I've generated over $10,000. Okay, now this is additionally with this income stream too, and there's 3 other income streams. Now I'm not going to bore you by going through all this, but I just wanted to demonstrate that this actually indeed works. Now, the cool thing about leveraging a system though is I didn't have to individually promote this and then go and promote this program, which is a tracker, which helps you track where your sales online are coming from. It's very important to do that. This is high-level training on how to make money online, which is very incredible. I didn't have to sell these individually. What I recommend you do, if I go back to here, is you join a high-ticket affiliate program that has a system built into it. So that system will actually sell all the different income streams for you. So I just send people to the front of the system, and the system follows up with people, converts people, and then I just wake up and oftentimes I don't even know these people that are actually investing into this, okay? So the first step, as I see right here, is join a high-ticket affiliate program. If you've been looking for a type of business to do and you don't want to deal with customer service, you don't want to deal with physical products or having a closet full of inventory, you don't want to deal with bothering your friends and family, getting on the phone, joining an affiliate marketing program that's high ticket is going to be one of the fastest ways to really hit your goals in the most easy and simple way possible, because again, you don't have to deal with all that. You just send people to a done for you website, and if it's high converting, if it's good at selling them, you can make great money. And I say high ticket because that way you're going to make a lot more money per commission. You're not going to make just, $25 here or there. You're going to be able to make up to $2,000 every single sale, okay? And I have FunnelX ROI system. That's the actual system I'm using. There's gonna be a link directly below if you wanna check that out at any time and set it up. It's actually incredibly easy to set it up. There's videos walking you through step by step, and you can go ahead and do that. Now, maybe you're already in an affiliate program, because what I'm gonna share with you will work no matter what business or what thing you're actually promoting online. So the second step is, once you've joined a high ticket affiliate program that has a system, is you wanna share your results and your team's results to start making commissions. And if you don't know, commissions is basically just sales, which is how you're actually gonna get paid. Now, why do I say share your results and share your team's results? Well, this is a little secret that I was kind of reluctant to share, but I really want you to succeed, because this is the secret sauce. A lot of people, they join an affiliate program and they're struggling to make sales. They're struggling to generate income, and they wonder why. Well, the number one thing that gets people to buy is proof of concept, right? Trust. So they want people that are looking at what you're offering, what you're promoting, let's say on Facebook, on Instagram, they're wondering, is it actually working, right? Are people getting results? So what you can do is share your results. So let's say you go out there and you make a sale, you make a $200 commission. Well, you can share that on Facebook, okay, or on YouTube. You can do a video, or Twitter or Instagram, really anywhere online that has people. You can share that result, and that's gonna get people interested. And then once they're interested, you can send them your sales page. If the system has a capture page that actually captures the person's email, you could follow up through automated emails, which is way more passive and what I really recommend. That FunnelX ROI system has all that for you, as you'll see below. But basically what you wanna realize is that a lot of people, they ask me, they say, Garrett, that makes sense. Okay, share results to get your next result. Okay, keep building on results. But what if I don't even have my first result? Well, the secret strategy there is you want to leverage your team's result. So you realize, if you join a affiliate program, if you invest into yourself, into your family, you get started at a high level in an affiliate program so you can earn these high commissions. Usually if it's a good system, there's going to be a lot of people already making money. So you can easily just go to the Facebook group, get a screenshot of someone else's results, and then share it on your Facebook. Say, hey, John, one of the members of this system, was able to generate, $1,000 while he was sleeping. If you want more information, reach out. And you'll have people interested reaching out to you. So you're leveraging other people's results. You're leveraging your team's results to get your next result. And once you get your next result, then you can share bigger and bigger results. And that's exactly what I've been doing the last 5 years. I get results. At the front of this video, I shared, hey, I made over $1,200 yesterday. Here's how I did it. And chances are a very high percentage of people that are serious, that are wanting a very simple and easy way without being really technical, without needing previous experience, without having a lot of time in the day, are probably finding themselves getting very, very interested. And if you have not already decided to click the link below, you probably have gone through the process, right? So that's really how it works. And then this last step is something that a lot of people don't do. And I've just added on recently, and it's been absolutely incredible. And what this is use bonuses to get paid members to upgrade. So in certain affiliate programs, like let's say Easy One Up, for example, there's different levels that people can actually invest into, right? They can invest and then they get the resale rights. Not only do they get the training access, but they get resale rights to go out there and promote it to other people and make 100% commissions. Well, sometimes, people that aren't that serious, people that are just like, oh, I want to, dip my toe in the water, oh, I want to see if it works, which usually they struggle because they're not all in. You got to kind of be all in, heart, soul, and vision to really, succeed with this, because it does take a little bit of time, a few weeks to get that momentum. But let's say, the person joins at the $100 level. Well, a lot of people just leave that person sitting there, where you could actually be getting that person to upgrade so you can make a lot more money and also help them realize the value as they upgrade. So how do you do that? Well, you actually use bonuses, okay, to get those people to upgrade. So you share, hey, if you get in at the $2,000 level or the $1,000 level, you're gonna get all these incredible bonuses, right? And so that's gonna incentivize the people that have already paid to want to upgrade, because that they're missing out on these incredible bonuses. And you may be watching this and you're wondering how I've implemented this, right? Well, I actually created a page where I give people access to thousands of dollars worth of bonuses totally free if they join into this Easy 1UP at the $1,000 and $2,000 level. And this is actually the bonus page. And they get, and I'm gonna go through all of it because I have other videos covering this, but my social media mastery course, right? $297 course, totally free, where I reveal my best kept secrets for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And when they click that, it takes them to log in and create an account on the membership site, totally free, okay? Private Facebook groups, 7 of my best social media lead, and they're all access here. So they get an email from me when I see they've actually joined at that $1,000 or $2,000 level, and they instantly get access to all these bonuses. So once I started using bonuses, people realized the value and they decided to get started, and they decided to upgrade and get access to these limited bonuses, right? So I hope you enjoyed this breakdown. If you did and you want me to make more, because this is exactly what I've been doing, but you can apply this to anything, whether you're a beginner or brand new, seasoned marketer. Be sure to like this video. Let me know if you liked it so I know to make more. Also, if you're new, subscribe so you don't miss out on my latest training. And last but not least, if you're watching this and you've been looking for a home business to join, or really a family to plug into and run with over the next 30 to 90 days, what I want you to do is click the first link below. You're gonna check out my #1 recommended affiliate marketing business that covers everything A to Z in complete detail, no missing pieces. And then again, check that out below. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.